VEEVA CRM Online Training. ProExcellency provide VEEVA CRM training. VEEVA CRM is related to content management programs and user-friendly because this content is created and it is transferred to other channels easily. Introduction. VEEVA CRM Online Training. Welcome to this video on VEEVA CRM Online Training. VEEVA CRM is a specialized, cloud-based customer relationship management solution designed specifically for the pharmaceutical and life sciences industry. Unlike generic CRM tools, VEEVA CRM is built to support industry-specific needs such as regulatory compliance, field force effectiveness, and customer engagement. In today's competitive pharma market, companies rely on VEEVA CRM to help sales representatives, medical teams, and marketing professionals manage customer interactions, track activities, and access real-time data securely. Because of this wide adoption, VEEVA CRM skills are in high demand across global pharmaceutical organizations. In this video, you will learn what VEEVA CRM is, how it works, its key features, real-world usage, and career opportunities. Whether you are a fresher, working professional, or someone planning to move into pharma IT, this video will give you a clear overview of how VEEVA CRM training can support your career growth. What is VEEVA CRM? VEEVA CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management solution designed specifically for the pharmaceutical and life sciences industry. It helps organizations manage interactions with healthcare professionals, track sales and medical activities, and ensure compliance with industry regulations. Built on the Salesforce platform, VEEVA CRM combines powerful CRM capabilities with industry-specific functionality. VEEVA CRM is widely used by pharma sales representatives, medical science liaisons, and marketing teams to plan visits, record call activities, manage accounts, and analyze performance using real-time data. Its mobile and web-based access allows field teams to work efficiently from anywhere while maintaining data accuracy and security. By focusing on compliance, transparency, and customer engagement, VEEVA CRM enables pharmaceutical companies to improve operational efficiency, strengthen customer relationships, and make informed business decisions. This makes VEEVA CRM one of the most trusted and widely adopted CRM solutions in the life sciences sector. Why VEEVA CRM is important? VEEVA CRM is important because it is specially designed for the life sciences industry, unlike generic CRM tools. Pharmaceutical and biotech companies need strict compliance, accurate data tracking, and secure communication with healthcare professionals, and VEEVA CRM delivers all of this in one platform. It helps sales and medical teams engage doctors more effectively through digital channels such as email, remote detailing, and virtual meetings. With real-time insights and analytics, companies can understand customer behavior, improve sales strategies, and increase productivity. VEEVA CRM also ensures regulatory compliance, which is critical in the pharmaceutical industry. It supports both online and offline access, enabling field representatives to work efficiently anytime, anywhere. Overall, VEEVA CRM improves customer engagement, sales performance, data accuracy, and compliance, making it an essential solution for modern life sciences organizations. Key features of VEEVA CRM. VEEVA CRM is a powerful, cloud-based customer relationship management solution built specifically for the life sciences industry. One of its key features is omni-channel engagement, which allows sales and medical teams to interact with healthcare professionals through in-person visits, virtual meetings, approved emails, and digital channels, all from a single system. Another important feature is its strong compliance framework, designed to meet global regulatory standards such as FDA and industry guidelines. Every activity, content usage, and interaction is tracked automatically, helping organizations stay audit-ready at all times. VEEVA CRM also provides advanced analytics and reporting, enabling organizations to measure sales performance, customer engagement, and campaign effectiveness in real time. With mobile and offline capabilities, field teams can access customer data, schedule calls, and capture interactions even without network connectivity. Additionally, VEEVA CRM offers seamless integration with VEEVA Vault and Salesforce, ensuring secure data flow, centralized content management, and improved collaboration across commercial and medical teams. This makes VEEVA CRM a complete and reliable solution for modern life sciences businesses. How VEEVA CRM works. VEEVA CRM works as a cloud-based platform that connects pharmaceutical and life sciences teams with healthcare professionals efficiently and compliantly. It provides a centralized system where sales representatives, medical liaisons, and marketing teams can manage customer accounts, schedule meetings, track interactions, and access approved content. The platform captures all field activities in real time, ensuring managers have instant insights into sales performance, customer engagement, and campaign effectiveness. VEEVA CRM also integrates with other systems like VEEVA Vault and Salesforce, allowing seamless data sharing and improved collaboration across teams. Through its mobile and offline capabilities, field staff can perform their tasks anywhere, whether visiting doctors, conducting virtual meetings, or updating customer records. Its built-in compliance controls ensure that every interaction and piece of content meets industry regulations, making it a trusted tool for life sciences organizations. By combining real-time analytics, multi-channel engagement, and regulatory compliance, VEEVA CRM enables companies to optimize their operations, improve customer relationships, and make informed business decisions. Career opportunities after learning VEEVA CRM. Learning VEEVA CRM opens up numerous career opportunities in the pharmaceutical and life sciences industry. Professionals skilled in VEEVA CRM are in high demand as companies look to improve their customer engagement, compliance, and sales efficiency. After mastering VEEVA CRM, you can pursue roles such as VEEVA CRM Consultant, CRM Analyst, Pharma IT Functional Consultant, or Salesforce VEEVA Support Specialist. These roles involve managing CRM processes, analyzing customer data, supporting sales and marketing teams, and implementing VEEVA CRM solutions in real-world business environments. With experience, professionals can also grow into project management, team-led, or training roles within pharmaceutical organizations. By learning VEEVA CRM, you not only gain a niche skill but also position yourself for high-paying and globally recognized opportunities, making it a strategic choice for anyone looking to advance their career in pharma technology. Why learn VEEVA CRM online? Learning VEEVA CRM online gives you the flexibility to gain industry-specific skills from anywhere, without disrupting your current schedule. The online mode allows you to work on real-time scenarios, practical exercises, and live projects, helping you understand how VEEVA CRM is used in pharmaceutical and life sciences organizations. VEEVA CRM is in high demand globally, and mastering it opens doors to lucrative career opportunities in consulting, sales, medical, and IT roles within pharma companies. Online training also provides access to expert trainers, certification guidance, and personalized support, ensuring you gain the knowledge and confidence to apply your skills in real-world projects. By learning VEEVA CRM online, you can enhance your resume, stay competitive in the job market, and quickly transition into a rewarding career in pharma IT and CRM solutions. Why choose ProExcellency? ProExcellency is a trusted training institute offering real-time, industry-focused VEEVA CRM online training. Our courses are designed to help you gain practical knowledge, hands-on experience, and certification guidance to succeed in the competitive pharma and life sciences industry. With expert trainers who have extensive industry experience, we provide step-by-step guidance, ensuring that beginners and working professionals alike can master VEEVA CRM efficiently. Our training includes real-world projects, scenario-based exercises, and career support, helping you become job-ready and confident in applying your skills. We also offer flexible online sessions, placement assistance, and dedicated support, making learning convenient, interactive, and effective. Choosing ProExcellency ensures that you not only gain technical knowledge but also build a strong foundation for a rewarding career in pharma IT and CRM solutions. Enroll now. Thank you for watching our video on VEEVA CRM Online Training. If you're ready to take the next step in your career, enroll with ProExcellency and gain real-time training, hands-on projects, and globally recognized certification. Start your journey to becoming a VEEVA CRM expert and open doors to high-demand roles in the pharmaceutical and life sciences industry.